Hi everyone, welcome to my new video, function of plasma membrane. You know that there are number of functions of the plasma membrane. Okay, first one, it maintain the individuality and form of the cell. It means you know that all the cell have the one membrane present. That's why their individuality here maintained. Okay, all the organelle also have the one membrane. Right now, then it keep the cell content in place and distinct from the environmental material. Right now, it keeps the cell content. Okay, it protect the cell from injury. Right, this is the outermost layer. That's why they protect from the cell injury, different type of the injury. Okay, it regulate the flow of material into and out of the cell. Right, in our previous video you already saw that there are different type of the flow maintained here: passive transportation, active transportation. Right now, it means equal balance, unequal balance, maintained with the help of plasma membrane. Okay, different type of the ions concentration also maintained here. Okay, and cell remain alive as long as the cell membrane is able to determine which material should enter or leave the cell. Okay, it means here the permeability barrier present here. Okay, plasma membrane, this plasma membrane is here. Plasma membrane should enter any type of the material. This plasma membrane able to determine right now which material should enter or leave the cell. Right now, okay, it forms the organelle within the cytoplasm. Right, you know that there are number of type of the organelle present. For example, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, right, mitochondria, then the Golgi body. Okay, all the organelle have the one membrane present. Right now, and this membrane also have the plasma membrane. Okay, it means all the organelle formation also take place with the help of plasma membrane. If the plasma membrane absent, what happen here? No any type of the organelle form here. Right now, all the organelle mix up into the cytoplasm. Right, that's why this is very important function of the plasma membrane. It forms organelle within the cytoplasm. Next one, its junction keeps the cell together. Right now, its junction keep the cell together. Its infolds help in intake of material by endocytosis. Right now, it means with the help of plasma membrane, endocytosis take place. It means the intake of material, liquid material or the solid material. Right now, if the liquid material is enter, called as the pinocytosis. If the solid material enter into the cell, phagocytosis. But this material enter into the cell only with the help of plasma membrane. Right, then next one, its outfolds. It means microphylla increase the surface area for absorption of nutrient. Right, and the outfold also form protective sheath around cilia and flagella. Right, it means this fold take place from the plasma membrane. They also help, it means absorption of nutrients. It means the function of microphylla, and also protect the sheath around the cilia and flagella. It means protection function take place here. Then going to its receptors molecule. Right, receptor molecule permit flow of information into the cell. Right, then by controlling the flow of material and information into the cell, the plasma membrane makes metabolism possible. Right now, different type of the metabolism take place into the cytoplasm, but only with the help of plasma membrane, because intake and outward of the material only with the help of plasma membrane. Okay, it controls cellular interaction necessary for tissue formation and defense against microbes. Okay, it also helps certain cell in movement of forming pseudopodia, as in amoeba and leukocytes. Okay, here the in detail, the first next one function of the plasma membrane is the shape. Plasma membrane provided a definite shape to the semi-fluid content of the cell. If the plasma membrane is not there, no any type of the shape is present. Right now, that's why the main function of the plasma membrane is the maintain the shape. Right, then mechanical barrier. This plasma membrane protect the cell from the different type of the mechanical barrier. Third one function is the endocytosis, right? Endocytosis is the special function of this plasma membrane. Okay, it means it will engulf either foreign particle or the food particle, right now, and engulf this material and enter into the cell, right now, and this possible only with the help of plasma membrane. Okay, this plasma membrane engulf this material, then pinch off this vesicle from the plasma membrane from this vesicle. This vesicle is maybe called as pinosome or phagosome, depend on which type of the material present in the vesicle. Okay, but this function possible only with the help of plasma membrane, right? Then this vesicle or the pinosome or phagosome contact with the lysosome, right? And the digestion take place here. The material or food digestion take place here. Then selective permeability. Okay, the membrane determine what substances are to be allowed entry or exit from the cell. This function possible. Okay, this function plasma membrane has a very important function. It means which type of the material or substance are to be allowed entry or exit from the cell. Then cell continuity. Cell membrane join together and form a plasmodesmata and also form a cell junction that unit with other cell. They join with other cell to form a continuous network or group of cell, right? And this is possible only with the help of cell continuity or the plasma membrane. Then recognition. Plasma membrane has a substances over its surface which function as a recognition center and point of attachment. Okay, and they help in tissue formation and distinction of the foreign substances and defense against microbes. Right? This is also the very important function present here. Then specialization. Plasma membrane gets modified to perform function. For example, absorption in microvilli. Then osmosis. Osmosis occurs due to the presence of tiny water channels in the plasma membrane. Very important point. Okay. This is all about the function of the plasma membrane. Then going toward the very important concepts here. First one concept is cytoplasm. Okay, what is meant by the cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is gel-like substance enclosed within the cell membrane or the plasma membrane excluding nucleus. Right? This is called as the cytoplasm. The next one term, plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the biological membrane that separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. It means here separate the cell from outside environment. This is called as the plasma membrane. What is meant by the prokaryote? Prokaryote means the cell that lack a distinct nucleus, right? And other specialized membrane bound organelle. Right now, it means in the prokaryote, what happened here? That is the unicellular cells present here, right now, and they lack the distinct nucleus and different type of the organelle here. That is called as the prokaryotes, right? Prokaryote means only single cell organism present here. Then eukaryote means what? An organism whose cell contain the membrane bound distinct nucleus along with other specialized organelle. Right now, it means here different type of the organelle also present and the true nucleus also present here. This is called as a eukaryotes. It means here multicellular organisms present here. An example is the plant cell and the animal cell. Then mesosome. In folding of plasma membrane is some bacterial cell that carry respiratory enzyme. Okay, it means this folding present on the plasma membrane and this folding is called as the mesosome. Then polyribosomes means it is a group of ribosome associated with a single mRNA. Okay, during the translation process. Then phagocytosis. What is meant by the phagocytosis? The process by which cell engulf a solid particle to form an internal vesicle known as a phagosome. Right now, and this is called as the phagocytosis and also called eating of cell. Then pinocytosis. Here the liquid material present here. It means the process of intake of liquid into the cell by the binding of small vesicle from the cell membrane is called as pinocytosis. Right now, this is called as the pinocytosis. Then going toward the exocytosis. It is the process of exocytosis. Material are exported outside the cell by using energy from ATP molecule. Right now, it means here material are exit from the cell outside the cell. This process is called as exocytosis. Then conjugation. What is meant by the conjugation? When the genetic material is transferred from one bacterial cell to other, either by direct contact or the bridge-like connection between two cells, is called as the conjugation. Right? Then permeability, the ability of barrier to let any substance pass through it. Right now, for example, plasma membrane. Right now, then ions. What is meant by the ions? An atom or molecule with a net electric charge due to the loss or gain or one or more electrons. This is called as the ion. Then semi-permeable, allowing certain substances, especially small molecular ion, to pass through it, but not other. Right now, this is called as the semi-permeable. And receptor. Receptor is a protein molecule in a cell or on the surface of cell to which substance such as hormone or drug or antigen can bind and causing a change in activity of the cell is called as the receptor. You know that different type of the hormonal receptor present on the plasma membrane. Right now, the last one is the enzyme, the protein which acts as a catalyst with living cell and increases the rate of biological reaction. Okay, this is called as the enzyme. Okay, this is all about all this important concept here.